In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem Nitro on Discord Mobile. If you've received a Nitro gift and want all the perks on your phone, like animated emojis, higher upload limits, profile flare, and better streaming quality, this walkthrough will get you set up in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want the Nitro to be applied. If you use more than one account, confirm the correct one by checking your avatar and username at the top of your home screen. A stable internet connection helps avoid any hiccups during redemption, so it's a good idea to be on Wi-Fi if possible. Next, open your user settings. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the app to open the settings panel. From there, scroll down until you see Billing or Nitro. The exact label can vary slightly depending on your app version, but both take you to the right place. If you don't immediately see these options, try scrolling a bit further or updating your app to the latest version. Now it's time to redeem your gift. Look for the option that says Redeem Code and tap it. Enter your Nitro gift code exactly as it appears. Your code might have come from an email, a trusted friend, or a physical gift card. You can paste it in if you copied it, or type it carefully. Watch for similar looking characters like 0 versus the letter O. Once the code is entered, tap Redeem. If the code is valid, you'll see a confirmation right away, and Nitro will be applied to your account immediately. If you get an error, double check the code for typos and ensure it hasn't expired. For codes from official partners, make sure you've followed any included instructions that came with the offer. And remember, never share gift codes publicly to keep your account secure. To confirm everything worked, head back into user settings and open the Nitro section. You should see your Nitro status marked as active, along with the expiration or renewal date. This page also highlights your benefits, like animated emoji support and higher upload limits, so you can start using them right away. If Nitro doesn't appear immediately, try closing and reopening the app. Sometimes it takes a moment to refresh. That's all there is to it. Once redeemed, your Nitro benefits carry over across your devices, so you can enjoy them on desktop too. Enjoy your upgraded experience and have fun customizing your Discord.